All right, sorry about that, guys. I had some people who needed some math help, and math teachers still in school for the year, so yeah, gotta help people. All right, let's bring it back together. We're undoing our order of operations. Right now I have x minus 11, so I'm gonna add to both sides. Those are gone, so I'm left with x is equal to negative 9 plus 11 gives me a positive 2. Okay, I need to go ahead and distribute that negative sign through. So I have z minus 6 minus 4z is equal to 9. I need to combine my like terms since they're on the same side. So my z minus 4, so remember there's an invisible 1. So 1 minus 4 gives me a negative 3. Don't forget my z comes with. Now I'm going to go ahead and add 6 to both sides. I have negative 3z equals 15 divided by negative 3. And z is equal to negative 5. All right, solve each of the following equations or inequalities for the desired variable. Justify your work by identifying the mathematical properties you use to solve the problem. Okay, so we're going to do some math, and then I'm going to do some type B, and then we'll do some math, and then I'll do some type B. All right, first I have to subtract 6, which gives me 4x is equal to 5, because 11 minus 6 is 5. So this is the additive inverse. My additive inverse is subtraction of 6, since I have an addition of 6. I might have to scooch those down, we'll see. Next, I'm going to go ahead and solve for x by dividing by 4. So x is equal to 5 over 4, which is equal to 1.25. And I used, not that button, this button. My multiplicative inverse. I'm going to run out of room, so I'm going to do that. All right, number 11. We're going to go ahead and start by dividing by negative 7. The reason being is it'll allow me to get that side solved simpler. Remember, we did this together, in one of our homework note or one of our notes videos. It explained why this worked. As long as you do your order of operations correctly, this will end up actually giving you the same answer. Since there's no parentheses, addition, subtraction, extra stuff on the right, I can get rid of my multiplication first by just dividing it out. And he is the multiplicative inverse again. Multiplicative inverse. Okay, next I'm going to go ahead and subtract 2. So 3r is equal to 15. And he is my additive inverse. E-R-S-E, I missed my E, that's one. E, whew, so difficult to type E today. And then my last step will be to divide both sides by 3. So r is equal to 5, it gets a circle, and we say it is multiplicative inverse. Oof, I'm impressed I didn't have to move it down. Okay, first steps first is I undo addition or subtraction. So I'm going to add over my 8. So I'm left with m over 12 is equal to 11. and we used our additive inverse. All right, next I need to continue getting this by itself, so I'm going to multiply by 12. I can never remember this one, I don't know why. And that's my multiplicative inverse, and I have class. I'll see you guys for round 3.